Let's do this! So today was a good day. Oh, what did I get done? Got the branch laid out on the railing. We have a aspen tree themed plant that I need to reflect in this rail. I'm removing one baluster out of the pattern, and we'll be forging and designing the tree. Things I need to keep in mind are 4-inch code that I need to respect so that it passes inspection. So yeah, let's get a tree done. So I have to make the main body of the tree. Some things to consider when I'm making my tree parts. Typically, I'm using the same set of dies on the power hammer, opposing hits on the power hammer. So I'm reducing the material down to a point. We'll go to layout table. Rough fit this tree design to the design that I drew out later, or rather earlier this morning. Going octagon and then going round. Those two last steps make it round. lot of this kind of stuff. Hey, I just wanted to point something out. While I was editing this, I saw something I'd never seen before, and that is the center of the bar was still staying hot in color compared to that of the outside. I thought I'd share it. It's just a pretty cool observation. Okay, back.
Alright, around to the bottom up. Square octagon around. Now I'm back to see what needs to happen. Block has a V shape in it too. Allows me to do that guy. Bend it. Yeah, I like it. We're close enough for the girls I used to date.
What a busy day. Woo.